Hello everyone, I am Poorav Panna from the Automobile Department. I come from Mumbai and I had taken admission in Ahmedabad, Indus University. So I had stayed 4 years in my hostel and it was a great experience as a new young teenager to be a part of the hostel committee. Apart from the hostel life, I would talk about my journey in the academics. I had scored 9.38 overall in the graduation, and apart from my academics, I had also been a part of the social committee and the motorsport team. As you can see, the car behind me, that was the car which my team had produced for Supra and Formula Bharat. We had bagged top 5 position in Gujarat in SA Supra and top 10 in Formula Bharat. Apart from this motorsport event, I was also the vice president of IAEA, that is Indus Automobile Association. And in that, we had organized multiple tech and non-tech events, which includes treasure hunts, which includes workshops and expert lectures. I would like to thank the faculties and the HOD to give us the helping hand and the constant support and guidance to perform better and better to every student in my department. Talking about the labs at Indus University, the labs are very well equipped with the machines and the demonstrative equipments to provide us the theoretical knowledge apart from the practical knowledge. And right now, the faculty members and the supporting staff are very good. That is the end result for my academics performance. And there is also one thing that I would add. I had bagged it for highest placement this year. That is for Lido Learning. And right now, after that, I am also part of Byjus and I handle the CRM, that is Customer Relationship Management. I would like to thank each and every member of the college organizations to give me this experience and to fulfill my dreams. Thank you so much.